Anhui Tangxing Equipment Technology Company, Limited, was founded in January 2005. It is committed to the research and manufacturing of trenchless equipment, integrating research, design, manufacturing, sales, and service. Its headquarters is located in Huainan, Anhui Province, with subsidiaries and branches both domestically and internationally. Tangxing Equipment is a leading international enterprise in the trenchless microtunneling equipment manufacturing industry. Anhui Tangxing Trenchless Equipment Manufacturing Industrial Park is located at Datong Industrial New Area, Huainan City, covering a planned area of approximately 58 acres. The total investment of this industrial park is $79 million. After the industrial park is completed, it will manufacture 500 sets of pipe jacking machines annually, with an annual output value of more than $71 million. The industrial park will be built into the most advanced comprehensive trenchless high-end equipment industrial base in China. Tangxing Equipment Trenchless Equipment and Big Data Research Center is located in Hefei, Anhui Province, and was established in October 2019. It is mainly engaged in advanced equipment research, intelligent interconnection technology research, and big data collection and application, aiming to provide customers with full life cycle management services of pipe jacking equipment and pipe jacking projects, as well as conduct research on the development of the microtunneling industry. Tangxing Equipment Malaysia Sendirian Berhad was established in March 2020, located in Sendayan Tech Valley, Malaysia, with a total investment of $6 million and covering an area of 2.5 acres. This overseas production base will better meet the needs of customers in Southeast Asia, and provide customers with professional equipment and advanced technical services.